As IT technology advances exponentially, the performance of tablets such as iPads and Galaxy Tabs is rapidly growing and commercialized. Electronic devices have become an essential part of our lives. Along with this phenomenon, hobbies that used to be analog are becoming digital. For example, a famous board game called Rummikub is now made as an application, and many people can easily enjoy it on their mobile phone. We can also use GarageBand provided by Apple and compose a song by ourselves. Other than that, we have GoodNotes that can take notes using tablets. Also, there are kiosks, smart order, etc. As platforms such as YouTube have become a major web service, things that used to require specialization can be easily learned by watching videos. And many people can easily enjoy their hobbies. In the case of painting, we had to use professional tools in an analog way. And for non-professionals, it could be a burden. Nowadays, we can use tablets and pens to complete the drawing quickly. To make our hobbies digital, which was analog, we wanted to implement a digitalized coloring book, which is popular as healing items recently. Coloring takes most of the time and effort to complete the painting. However, for non-professionals who have not painted much, it is difficult to color with a desired feeling. For those who find it difficult to color, we thought it would be very helpful if there is a service to color with the palette that fits well, or to follow the colors of your favorite pictures or photos. So we planned the project 칠해줘. In addition, to make it more convenient, we added a function to automate coloring using AI and complete coloring with just one button press. Our service provides two main functions. When uploading pictures drawn by users, first, users can color using palettes that represent 4 seasons. The palette required for coloring is implemented so that both the palette provided directly by our service and the palette the user wants to paint can be used. Second, it automatically colored by a Pix2Pix model AI. This is for users who have difficulty in what palette to use and what color to match, or those who want the sketch to be randomly colored. We used React to implement front-end. Pix2Pix model was implemented using PyTorch in the Google Colab environment. Recognizing and coloring sections was implemented using OpenCV Python. Also, we used Selenium and Chrome WebDriver for crawling datasets. Pix2Pix is an image-to-image translation model. Train the generator to convert an image into an image. Instead of the noise vector of the existing GAN, input a sketch picture to learn. First, the generator receives a sketch and outputs a fake image. Then, the designed objective function of the discriminator identifies this fake image as a completed image. And finally, the generator outputs the completed fake image. We used U-Net as the generator model structure and PatchGAN as a discriminator to improve the image generation performance. To make a train and test dataset, we needed a dataset with unpainted sketch drawings and painted drawings. Datasets with two pictures together were not common, so we chose to build our own dataset. We crawled the Google image using Selenium and Chrome WebDriver. When we enter the keyword for the image we want to find, the program automatically scrolls to the end of the search page to find all the image and save the image using the URL of that image. After that, for the unpainted sketch drawings, we used Kenny Edge detection. As we need an uncolored sketch dataset, we reversed the black and white of the picture. The uncolored sketch image and original picture image obtained by inverting black and white were stored under the same name and used as a dataset for training. Then we trained it. This is a simple video of demonstration. By using Kenny Edge detection, the outline was extracted and implemented so that the outline can also be colored. In order to distinguish between thin lines and thick lines and to compare how it would be most effective, we found the optimal method by applying different blur degree. When the palette is clicked with the mouse, the color RGB values in the palette are received and the color can be painted in the outline space. This is a simple video of demonstration.